want to introduce everyone to Topgrade. Topgrade is phenomenal. I first found out about Topgrade whenever I was using Bazite. It uses the just command. However, the background is going to be Topgrade. And what Topgrade does is it goes out and it finds any kind of software you have, even Docker containers, and it will run the updates for you with just one simple command. I've got the install instructions for Debian, Fedora, and Arch. Also for the bash shell, or if you're running Fish, I've got the instructions for it as well on my website. Link in the description below, impulsetechshop.com/guides. Now I'm going through an installation on a fresh install of DietPi. That's my favorite go-to distribution. I'm just SSH'd into it right now. I'll fast forward some of this footage, but I'm just using all of these commands, as you see, in real time off of my website. You can just copy and paste them in. There's no extra steps. It's just super simple. Now, this will take about maybe 10 or 15 minutes to install, and I'll fast forward the footage. It really just depends on how fast your processor is, on how fast this is going to get done. I think on the system I'm remoted into, it is just about, I think, a 4-core is what I allocated to the VM. 4 cores and I think 4 gigs of RAM. So this did take probably about 10 or 15 minutes to go through it. Real simple. All you do is hit enter. If it asks you any kind of questions, just hit yes or enter. Enter, just it defaults to the default. And I'll go ahead and fast forward this section so we can get to the end result.
A few moments later.
All right, and here we are right at the end. We'll just clear out that terminal. Just type in Topgrade, hit enter. It'll scan your system for any and all kinds of packages or softwares you've got installed, and it will run the update. This system has already been updated. That's it. It's really cool. I'll show you one more example on my Docker VM. I'll switch over to that.
A few moments later.
All right, we've got switched over to my Docker VM, and we're just going to run the Topgrade command. And as it scans all the different packages and softwares that I've got installed, it's going to run an update on those. And what's really cool is you'll see it goes right there and grabs the containers, goes out, upgrades all of the containers for you. You get that nice feedback. You know, you've got Watchtower installed more than likely, and Watchtower, it does a great job, but this way, you know, just getting that visual feedback through the command line kind of puts your mind at ease, knowing, hey, everything's up to date. So there you have it. That's Topgrade. I love it. It's badass. You should install it. We'll catch you in the next one.